This is one of the rare endemic periwinkle of India. Catharanthus pusillus or something like that, the name. I'll write the correct thing on the title. And this one, it's not as hardy as that other rosy periwinkle. And it's a native of Western Ghats and all. Very cute little plant. Small thing it is. And this one I had collected on the roadside in near Mangalore. Got it to Bangalore and it has started spreading on its own. That one or two plants that were there, the seeds have escaped and recolonizing and offering competition to invasive weeds. And it's a very beautiful one also, in my eyes at least. And hardly in any garden you will find this species. It's quite spreads out nicely, at least somehow the seeds get us spreading. So that's how it looks. Tiny periwinkle.